Then in here.
John shoved the glue in there and he's just using his little bead apparatus to try and make sure the glue's all
It's
tight.
outlet back. The beads out. And this goes in. Spinning it. In and out, spin, spin. Rotate. That feels good. Right, now I'm going to put the bead in the top one. And what's that white rag? Please. I'm going to fill this up. I'll see where the bead is. Push the bead in. But the beads are tied on over here.
Yep. Okay, see. Yeah.
Right, I'll fill this up.
Good. Can't really see a lot. See your hands. Can't really see a lot.
Okay, it's starting to ooze out here.
Okay, so it's probably plenty in there.
Get that out, mate. Stand it up somewhere. And get my stick over here. Right, going in. Put the beads all the way down. Oh, let's push it against the bead. Right, taking this out now. And apply it onto this one.
So the bead's still in there?
Yeah, the bead's still in there. Got that ready. Put this here.
Won't that be in the way?
Pull the bead out. Bead out. I'll see if I pull that too much stuff. But I'll put this in. That feels good. Now, make sure that there's no marks all the way down the end of the pipe. I see this is all the way through it.
So when you're done pushing the glue right through, make sure on that little...
Yeah, I'm making sure that
it's not
sure
blocked up
it's not
with
blocked.
glue. And you've done that one as well, you've done the top one as well.
Yeah. Now, this isn't long enough. Does it? Is it long enough? seems it is blocked up, or slightly blocked.
You reckon the water will push it through?
I can.
You can unblock it.
I'll get a drill and just put it in
oh,
there
yeah.
and give it a twizzle.
Okay, are you stopping for a minute now and doing the second part? Or are you going to put it on now?
Haven't I done it all?
No, are you putting the pipe on now?
No.